Assalamu alaikum. If you are someone who is looking to build a website of his own but don't have the financial capacity to pay for your domain and hosting using Namecheap and GoDaddy, or maybe you are a person who is trying to apply his new SEO knowledge by doing some SEOs in his own website. If you're either one of these, this video is just for you. I'm Shaukat Sifat from Tech2Vert, and today I'm going to talk about how you can make your own website and practice your SEO knowledges, or even build your own blogging websites using no money at all. Now, before I begin to talk about how you can do these things, one thing I'd like to clear out is that if you are using something totally free of cost without giving any money, then you have to give something, you have to trade something off. So you're going to have to accept this, but still the two alternatives that I'm going to show you for using your free hosting and domain is going to be a lot easier than normal ones. So let's get started. So first of all, what I'm going to show you is this one. So here, as you can see, this is Bloggers. So what Blogger does is it offers you and some storages from Google. It gives you free domain, it gives you free hosting, all free of cost to make your own blogs. Now here, as you can see, I'm in Bloggers and currently there are no posts. So what you can do is you can create new posts by clicking this, and from here you're going to just use it as you're using your normal Microsoft Word files and other things. So here you can give your title for your post. So I'm going to type my post title, and then you're going to write something, and then you're going to just click publish. Since I'm not going to make another blog, I already have one, so I'm not going to do it. So then you can give it some sort of topic. So let's type topic 1, and then here you can check your permalink. If you want people to find your link using the word you are typing, you can give that. Say for example, I'm typing permalink / best. So now what it's going to do is, as you can see here, Google is going to show this link as your site's address, this page address. And then lastly, you can take your location, and you can use this option, reader's comment. I always put it on allow mode, and then you just click publish. After you have given your post, you can use all these things as I'm pretty sure you're already familiar with it, so I'm not going to spend more time in it. So that's one way you can make your own blog without spending any money. And then the second way is you can use the help of some free domain and hosting service providers who give you small amount of hosting, and some give you unlimited amount of disk storage. So I'm going to show you both. So first of all, which one I'm going to talk about is this one. So as you can see, its name is 000webhost.com. Here you can just go to get started, and as you can see in the left side, you get one website, 300 MB disk space, limited bandwidth of 3 GB. You get no email account, 24/7 support. So that's one thing. But as I said, I'm going to tell you about one more that's going to give you unlimited disk storage. So this is the one I was talking about, profreehost.com. So it's going to give you unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, MySQL databases, an easy control panel, and a website builder. So up till now, you can just register and create your own account, and then just get started with your website. But as I said, there are going to be some problems you're going to face while using these services. So if we talk about Bloggers, here the main problem is you are not going to be able to apply the SEO techniques that as much as you could in a website that is going to be controlled by WordPress. You are not going to get the WordPress environment here, and you're not going to be able to use SEO plugins like Yoast SEO, Rank Math, and many other plugins. So that is a problem. But here in ProFreeHost or in 000webhost.com you can use this thing, but again there are some problems that you are not going to be able to get the type of speed you want, because the dashboard sometimes takes a lot of time to load, and sometimes your screen just freezes, and that is something you are going to have to deal with when you're in free web hosting and domain sites. So that is something you need to do. But if you're looking to get a more smooth experience of building your website and learning SEO, I always encourage you to buy your own domain and hosting. It's pretty cheap these days, and you can very easily get your own site without spending that much money. But if you're just starting out and trying to learn what you have, trying to apply what you have learned, then these two options are very good. If you are a copywriter or you are a blogger, you can use Google's Blogger. And if you're someone who is trying to apply SEO knowledges and open your own freelancing career in Fiverr and Upwork, then ProFreeHost or 000webhost can be a great place for practicing. So that's all from me. I hope this video has helped you a lot. If you like this video and think it's added value in your life, then feel free to subscribe to our channel Tech2Bert, and also share this video as much as you can so that we can help more people like you. Thank you.